Welcome back to Old House Life channel. Today we are featuring a charming historic farmhouse nestled in the peaceful countryside of North Carolina, surrounded by approximately 13 plus acres of lush land and a rustic barn. The property also features two covered porches, a fenced side yard, and a convenient primary bedroom located on the main level. With its rich history, picturesque setting, and endless possibilities for outdoor living, this enchanting farmhouse is a rare find. Please check out video description for more details. Thank you for watching.